In this video I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code quickly, and for that I'm going to use canva.com. This is the website using which you can create QR codes for free, and it has pro version as well, but free version will do the job for you. So what you can do is select your design first. For this example I'm only going to use Instagram post, and inside that Instagram post I'm going to embed the QR code that will be generating right now. So here you can see there are some pre-made templates here. For the example purpose I'm going to use any of these just to put the QR code so that you can understand what I'm talking about, because this video's aim is to create the QR code, not the design itself. So let's do that now. I'm going to see one design which has ample space to put QR code, so let's use this one, and in the middle we can put QR code. So to do so you can either select it from here. If you don't see the QR code option here, just select on these three dots and here is the QR code. Now here you need to enter the URL which you want to give. For example, if you have a restaurant or some sort of a physical location that you want people to go to when they scan that QR code, you can enter the URL here. So let's use one random one. From here I can copy the link, and now I can go back and enter here and click on generate code. Okay, the code is generated and is placed here automatically. You can increase it if you want to. You can change its position wherever you want to. You can even make it smaller. Anywhere you want, you can use this QR code. Now whenever somebody scans this QR code, they will be able to land the location that you have put inside here. I'll be showing you the example how it works, but first of all let's go ahead and save this design. Okay, see, when I am scanning here, it is asked go to Safari to open it. So this QR code is working fine. Now you are the best person to use it wherever you want to. I'm going to use this kind of stuff on my Instagram and other where the URL function is not allowed. You're the best person to judge where you want to use it. Use your own creative mind. So this was it. If you also want to create the QR code, just do that. So I hope this helps you in creating QR code. If you have any questions, let me know in comment section. I'll try my level best to answer you as soon as I can.